Hey guys, my name is Pirate, and I wanted to make this video just to help out you guys who have an LG. I was trying very hard to root the LG L9 Optimus, as you see here, and I had a very hard time doing it. The T-Mobile version has a bunch of forums and all that of people having success, but I just couldn't do it with the MetroPCS version. So I did find a way, and as I'll show you guys here, I have a super user. There's terminal, just running a couple stuff there, and to show that it is Metro, I'll come over here, show you my network, and as you see, it is Metro there. So it is a relatively simple procedure, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you from my computer. Alright guys, so here I'm with my PC. The first step that we're gonna do, the link will be in the description. You're gonna go to this website. I know it looks intimidating because everything's in Chinese, but if you click on the same thing that I click on, you should be fine. So the first thing you're gonna click on is right here. See, it's gonna turn blue, and then right when you hover it over, it turn green. Just go ahead and download that. Should download now. So I already have it downloaded, as you see here. Just the installation is pretty simple. As you see, everything else says run. Just click next, next, yes, next, next, next. Yeah, I would create a desktop because it's easier. I just delete it right after I'm done. So once that finishes installing, the first thing you're gonna do, launch it. The first thing you're gonna do is right here when you see this, I already have, like, connect your phone if it isn't already connected. And then if this green button goes away, that's fine. It might spin around for a little bit or do something like that, and then just give it a couple minutes to recognize your phone, do what it has to do, and then once everything comes back, the green button should come up. Once you click the green button, it's gonna go ahead and install the root, and your phone is gonna restart, and then when it turns back on, it would already be rooted. So it's pretty much just as simple as that. Once you finish with that, make sure you download Super User. That is a big help. I'll go ahead and I'm going to go back to my phone to show you guys how the program would look. Here's the other step you have to do. Alright guys, so after your phone reboots, once it reboots and it finishes loading, you can go ahead and disconnect it. So the way it's going to look, if you come over here to apps, it will look something like that. There's also something else. When you go to Google Chrome or whatever browser you use, you might get a browser that looks something like this. I never use this application, obviously, because it's in a language I don't understand, but there will be a green button somewhere around here or something like that. I remember I clicked it, and I also think that helped, but if you don't, that's alright. You know, it still should work perfectly fine. Other than that, I really didn't explain what Super User was, just in case you're new to rooting. I'm pretty new too, but I'll try my best to define it. Super User, what it pretty much does, it allows programs that need root access to have full control. So let's say, for example, I'm using Terminal Emulator, and Terminal Emulator would need full control over my phone. I would use Super User to allow it to get that control it needs. So it would look something like this. I don't believe I got it in the Play Store. I believe I downloaded it and I just dragged it onto my SD card, and then from there I just installed it as an APK. If you have a hard time, but that's pretty relatively easy to search for, and you could go ahead and get that and do what you gotta do. Alright guys, so you should be done, and go ahead and enjoy your new rooted phone. You guys have a good one.